Sige. Down. Tapos here. Okay, you go. You do your own. Down. Then circle. Good job. Okay? O, first ha. Dito muna. Wait, I'll teach you. 1, then ganon. Okay. Round. No, diretso. Gataya. Look at me. Okay. Ganyan. Tapos diretso lang. Yan. Okay, game. Yeah. Ano na, here muna. E. Yan. Straight lang. Okay, good. Another one. E pa. Hey. Yan. E muna. Finish mo na yung E. Good. F. Ano F? No. Start at the start at the top. You start at the top. Okay. Good. At the top. No, Aya. Stop at top. Yan. Down. Good. Okay. G. Sorry. Dito muna. You start here, inside. Circle muna. 1, then going down. Okay, go.
I want the sticker now.
Ito muna, letter G muna. You still have 2. You still have 2 muna. Okay, circle muna. Circle. Sorry. Here. Sige, circle. No, circle. Circle first. Okay. Then up, going down. Okay, game. Another one. Circle first. No. Circle first.
The mama.
Circle first, then going down.
And sticker time.
Okay. What? Get mo muna yung cover nito.
I think
What?
I want
What do you want?
this one.
This one? Yeah, that's not a sticker. Is it a sticker? Let's see. No. Ay, oo nga, sticker nga siya. But, we have... wait. I'll do it for you. Kaso, you put it in your notebook, on your thing, sayang.
No, where my finger?
You want in your hands? Wait for me. Get mo muna yung cover. Apo. Ito na, Aya. So many? Look, wait for me. I'll make it. Yeah.
Wow.
Saan natin ilagay yan, Aya? Where?
This one.
Dito? Talaga naman.
Wow.
You like it?
I like it.
Oh.
I'm happy now.
You're happy now?
With this flower.
What will you say to Mom?
This is a flower.
It's a flower? What will you say to Mom? I can't hear you. Louder.
Did you?
Welcome.
This is flower there. Oh no, this flower there.
What?
This flower.
Flower? Later na. One at a time. Okay? Bye.